(737 to 800). 6 November. Cleared IFR2. Munich and Franz Josef Strauss as filed. Maintain 15,000. Squawk 4700.
Cleared IFR2. Munich and Franz Josef Strauss as filed. Maintain 15,000. Squawk 4700. 737 to 800. 6 November.
(737 to 800). 6 November. Runway 7. Taxi via Mike, India, Kilo. Hold short of runway 7.
Runway 7. Taxi via Mike, India, Kilo. Hold short of runway 7. 737 to 800. 6 November.
Ground to cockpit, please show me where you want to go. Ground to cockpit, toes driving up. Okay, all doors and hatches are closed, ready to connect, set parking brake.
Hey guys, so as you're seeing, this would be I've started the engine from a cold start. It's a cold start. So sorry, it's a cold start. And the idea is that from Stuttgart to Munich is a flight. I think 20 minutes is a flight time. I'm definitely a newbie when it comes to explain or any other flight simulator, and I'm just trying to make my way through. I'm just hoping that I'll
Now connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
I've requested a pushback.
Starting pushback, and you may start the engines.
And the engines have already been started. Seatbelt is on, and there's the pushback. We have, you just go with dim, and we need to have.
Hey, quit blinding me with your landing lights. Turn them off.
Okay, sorry. And about these lights. Logo, anti-collision, all that. I wonder who that is for.
Operation complete. Please set parking brake. Disconnecting tow. Stand by. Tow is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on the right. I'll see you next time and have a safe flight.
Okay, alright then, let's go. Remove the parking brake and some power. Just an FYI, I'm still definitely a big noob following the yellow line. So if you are someone who does this on a regular basis and you see me making stupid mistakes, let me know how to correct them. I'd love to be in the flight sim community.
$737 to 800. 6 November. Contact Tower on 118.80.
Contact tower on 118.80. 737 to 800. 6 November. Tower 737 to 800. 6 November.
737 to 800. 6 November. Fly heading 070. Runway 7. You're cleared for takeoff.
I'll be cutting this video short and we'll be uploading this in parts. So the idea is basically that I'll just go to the runway.
Fly heading
cut the video,
070. Runway 7.
and
737
start
to
with the
800. 6 November.
Alright, thank you for watching the part 1. The part 2 will start right from here for the takeoff. Thank you.